There's a well-known saying that the top of one mountain is the bottom of another. And I think that's really true in business, and particularly when you're scaling a business. So moving your business up one mountain and onto another can be really, really tough. And that's why there's awards out there that are specifically there to recognize your growth and how you've scaled your business. Now, scaling one business might be different to scaling another. So for some businesses, scaling is all about growing in region, in size. For another business, it might be about growing actually in numbers of employees. Scaling is always going to need a certain element of commercial growth in it, of course, as well. I think one thing that's really important to note about scaling your business as well is not just about getting investment. I'm often asked if a business is ready for awards just because it's raised investment. And I say, no, not yet, not unless you've had an impact. So no matter what point you're at in your scaling journey, think about the impact that you're having first, and then work backwards from that as to how did you get there in the end. So whether you've grown super rapidly or slow and steady, if you are growing, then we want to see what the impact is that you're having and how you're getting there. So are you growing your people? Are you growing your product range? Are you growing your services? And how are you making that work on a larger scale now than it was originally? And if you have got investment, how can you prove that that investment is doing what it's meant to do? And how can you relate that to both your commercial performance and your customer experience, your employee experience, and everything holistically around it? So don't just think that Scale Up Awards or any awards around your growth are simply going to look at your figures. They want to look at you as a holistic business that is growing in a way that's stable and sustainable as well.